What's up, my people, my people, my people? It's your boy, the one and only Prince Tunde, guys. I am super excited to be here with you tonight. Now, let's just keep it real, y'all. Look, before coming to record this video, I promise you, man, my mind was messing with me, y'all, for real. My mind was messing with me. First, not only that am I tired, I've had a really long day, and my mind was like, yo, man, just take a shower, go to sleep, read and just forget about it. You'll be all right. But one of the things that I really just decided to do was to go with logic. Logic tells me, go and record. You're supposed to record. This is the commitment you have with yourself to go and record. Go and do it. That's what logic says. Now, emotion, on the other hand, is saying you are tired. Emotion is saying you don't feel like it. Emotion is telling you, look, man, you don't feel like you don't even have what you want to say, and all that kind of stuff. Like, emotion is playing with me, right? But then there's logic. Logic says, go to that room, turn on the lights, turn on your phone, turn on the camera, and record. Now, I'm sharing this with you because oftentimes a lot of people, you give so much power to your emotions, right? You give too much power to your emotions. Your emotion is telling you don't do something, you don't do it. Your emotion is telling you don't feel like it, you don't do it. Your emotions is controlling you. And at some point, you got to be able to go with logic. And the times when emotion is not your best friend, emotion is not the best resource, use logic. In the times when logic, yes, you've applied logic now, it's time for you to put emotion. So logic, I use logic to come here to record this video. Now I'm about to put my emotions here. Now I'm about to use emotion. So guys, I want you to really, really see what I'm doing here and how you can apply this. For example, you're tired. You don't want to work out. You've had a long day, but you know you need to work out. You know you need to work out that same night, right? So now, emotions is not going to get you to do it. Logic says, go and work out. So you go and work out while you're working out. And because of the fact that you feel so tired, you feel weak, but you're creating that extra time to do the workout. Use your emotions to work out. When you use your emotions to work out, you literally put so much more energy into it. Because now you are summing up a different part of you to actually do it. You're mushing up a different level of energy to do this thing. And now you apply emotions to it. So guys, man, look, I just shared you two very basic principles. I wouldn't even say principles, but just ideas that you can apply into your life to make sure that you are going 120. You are going beast mode in every single area that you're engaged in. So guys, man, look, apply logic when emotion isn't working for you. Apply emotion when you've applied logic. It's your boy, man, your one and only Prince Tunde. I'm out. Much love and peace. Show up to your dreams every single day. Show up every single day. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.